What's this you got here?
Oh, this is one of those new geothermal units that just come out. It heats in the winter and it cools in the summer. It's just the greatest thing. It's cheap, efficient, and does a great job. I'll show you how it runs here. We'll just fire this up right now.
Alright, let's see her.
It is a John Deere geothermal unit. What do you think of that? Runs on water.
Yeah.
Yeah, the John Deere engine runs this mechanism right here. Makes this pump work. Takes it right out of the ground and takes all the cool out of the water. And I'll tell you, it is the greatest thing. Oh yeah. Wow. I'll tell you, oh, it's so cold. Unbelievable. What do they think of next?